what has happened with the opposition political party in India? They always raise a question of the existence of the Lord Rama. And once a time at the UPA government, they said that it was the only imaginary story of the Lord Rama that was written by the Maharshi Valmiki as a Ramayana and Goswami Tulsidas as Ramcharitmanas. How can it be possible? One place can be false, one place can be deferred, but Ayodhya, where Lord Rama was born, and Chitrakoot, where Lord Rama was lived, and Panchvati, from where the Sita was abducted by the Ravan, and then after Ram Setu, and after that Rameswar temple, that is the established by the Lord Rama before the war with the Ravan, and then after Dhanuskoti, then after Lanka, where Sita was kept by the Raman in that place. So how can be possible these places existence about the only one person's life? We have to think about it. And nowadays many political parties, a number of the political parties, they have saying the negative sentences about the Lord Rama. Once upon a time, former Chief Minister of the Tamil Nadu, M. Karunanidhi, told about it, that about the Lord Rama, that the Lord Rama was the drinker of the wine. And then after, now a NCP leader in Maharashtra nowadays, they say that Lord Rama was a non-vegetarian. If you did not accept, these political parties did not accept the existence of the Lord Rama, so how can you say the sentence about the Lord Rama was the vegetarian or the non-vegetarian? He drinks or not drinks. How can it be possible? Such a statement you are giving. Where is the sense have you? Any kind of a sense have you? If you did not accept the existence of the Lord Rama, how can you give a sentence like that? Yeah, Lord Rama was the vegetarian, non-vegetarian. If you cannot say that truth about the life of the Lord Rama, then please, you have to only keep silence about it. Don't say anything, and you are destroying yourself. You are destroying yourself to comment on the life of the Lord Rama you don't know. And Lord Rama empire, it is not only existence in the India. That is the far away. That is different to the Indonesia, Malaysia, Afghanistan, all the places that was the existence at that time. Everywhere it was the spread. But they raised the question about the Lord Rama. As we know that Maharshi Valmiki was the contemporary of the Lord Rama. So Maharshi Valmiki described Lord Rama character as a person, as a human at that time, because he saw the life of the Lord Rama at that time. And Lord Rama, due to his act, due to his karma, Lord Rama became the great emperor, great king of the India at that time, at the Sanatan religion, if you are talking about it. And then after, Goswami Tulsidas described Lord Rama as a preserver. Who is the preserver in Sanatan religion? That is called Vishnu. He is the avatar of the Vishnu. So how can it be possible to deny it? And at that time, when Goswami Tulsidas wrote the Ramcharitmanas, then in India, in Delhi, in Agra, everywhere, that is the Mughal dynasty was present there. And then after, in that position, the only hope was given by the Goswami Tulsidas to the Hindus. Only Ram. You have to jap only Ram. Because Goswami Tulsidas showed these Mughal emperors that we have also an emperor that is called Lord Rama, who defeated Lanka King Ravan, but he did not rule over on that country. He gifted their own state, Lanka, to his younger brother Vibhishan. And Lord Rama was not only a Maryadit Purus, he was the very etiquette person, we know very well. But Lord Rama was the very diplomatic man. How he take the help from the Sugriv? How can he went to for the Vibhishan, came back to in the existence of the Lord Rama. And then after, Hanuman has too much power. He was very strong, Hanuman character in the Ramayana, in the Ramcharitmanas. But Ramchandra ji, Lord Rama realized, Hanuman ji, you can do it. So Lord Hanuman do it. So Lord Rama was not only a person that is called a very etiquette person or mental, you can say just as a etiquette person. He was a very diplomatic man, and we want to say that on my behalf, please don't say anything negative about the Lord Rama. Okay, his karma dedicated his life throughout the India. Everywhere we can find the places where Lord